focus of this tutorial will be the compare objects action. In 109 we took a look at the get SAP objects action, and an example here is I used a program for a field and contains pattern as an operator. And I found all of my programs that contain pattern icorp/dw star. Now you may have used Z star or ZHR star or something like that. But I have 36 programs that contain the pattern that I selected. The next step is to compare these objects. So let's make a copy of 109, right click, copy here, select your newly copied workflow, right click, rename 110, compare objects. Hide your Model Explorer, open your component palette, search for compare objects, drag and drop your action underneath results. And while we're here, let's rename results. So click on results and go to the label, and let's call it retrieved objects. And let's make that the source of our compare objects action. So click on compare objects, click on the source drop down, and link it to retrieved objects. And there are two RFC destinations that we're going to compare these objects against. Let's use the ones that are already out there on the canvas. And there will be a new result that will be produced. Choose new table. Let's run the workflow. Right click, view details. We see there is a status column now. Each object has a status. Was the comparison the same or different? You may also see in one or in two, which indicates if the object is unique to one of the two environments. Let's push this into a hierarchy, which makes it really user-friendly to navigate through. So we have an action here called make hierarchy. So why don't you go ahead, search for it, and drag and drop it underneath the result here. And let's relabel this result. So click on result, go to your label, and relabel it compared objects. And let's make that the source of our make hierarchy action. And let's use the same RFCs that are already on our canvas. And let's bring out a new result, a new hierarchy result. The last thing I want to add to this is the object status to keep. Let's bring that right over here. Right click on it, choose edit, click on lookup, and select the first four. If you want to see what can't or not be compared, you can select the bottom two as well. And if you want to filter out objects that are the same, you can uncheck same. Click save. Click F8 on your keyboard to run the action. Right click, view details, expand your ABAP programs. I see that there are 9 different programs and 9 are the same, so 50% different. So click on one of your different objects, and I'm going to click on this code here. There are one insert in my system 2 and 2 lines of code that are different, and you can click through them by clicking on the next change icon here, and it highlights all of the code that's different. And this transports tab can be helpful in identifying what transport may have introduced this change. It's basically a transport history of the object. It can help you give you information about what may have caused the object to be out of sync. Okay, thanks for watching.